Hi, welcome to the studio where I will tell you what do you need to code a Shopify theme. So to code a Shopify theme, first of all, we need development environment. To set up a local development environment on your computer, and this typically involves installing a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. Now, moving over to the second step, you need is a Shopify partner account. So, create a Shopify partner account if you haven't already. This will give you access to the Shopify partner dashboard and other resources. Now, the third thing is Shopify theme kit. You have to install a Shopify theme kit, a command line tool, which is provided by Shopify, and that allows you to interact with your Shopify store's files and assets. Now, the fourth thing is Liquid. Familiarize yourself with Liquid, Shopify's templating language. Liquid is used to build dynamic content in Shopify themes and allows you to access and manipulate Shopify store data. Learn about Liquid tags, filters, and variables to effectively customize your theme. Now, the fifth thing is HTML or CSS. So, for that, you must have a good understanding of HTML and CSS as you'll be working with these languages to structure and style your theme. Shopify themes use HTML for the structure and liquid tags to inject dynamic content. CSS is used for styling and customizing the theme's appearance. Now, sixth step is JavaScript. Depending on your requirements, you may need to include JavaScript in your Shopify theme. JavaScript can be used for interactive elements, custom functionality, and Ajax requests. The seventh step is to have a Shopify theme documentation. Familiarize yourself with the Shopify theme development documentation. It provides detailed information on theme file structure, liquid syntax, theme settings, and best practices. The eighth thing to have is the theme files. Understand the structure and purpose of various theme files such as theme.liquid, which is the main layout file, and other files like sections, templates, snippets, and assets. These files determine how your theme is organized and rendered. Number ninth step is to have a theme customization. Determine the desired functionality and design for your Shopify theme. You may need to create custom sections, templates, or snippets based on your requirements. You can use Shopify's built-in theme settings to allow store owners to customize their theme without touching the code. Now, the 10th and the last step is to test. Uh, Testing your theme thoroughly is very important. It is to ensure that it functions correctly across different devices and browsers. So that's all for this video. That's that's all the things that you need to code a Shopify theme. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.